Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm painting an anime character suggested by one of you, Chuuya Nakahara from Bungou Stray Dogs. I can't wait to bring him to life with watercolor. If you have more character suggestions, drop them in the comments. Now, let's get started. Now, onto the fun part, painting. I'm starting with the base layer, using a light wash for the skin tone before moving on to the hair. Blending is super important in watercolor, especially for anime characters. Chuuya's red orange hair is one of his most striking features, so I'm layering different shades to give it depth. Chuuya's outfit is mostly dark, so I have to be careful here. If I go too dark too soon, I won't be able to fix. Easily, watercolor is all about patience. Now, I'm building up the shadows to a depth. I love how watercolor naturally creates soft gradients, which work really well for an anime-style shading. This part takes the longest, but it's also the most satisfying. Now, let's add depth to Chuuya's coat. Since it's dark brown, we need to build up layers carefully to keep it looking rich and textured. Instead of starting with pure brown, I'm mixing burnt umber with a touch of blue to create a deeper, more dynamic base. The darkest shadows go where the fabric folds near the elbows, under the collar, and along the inner edges of the coat. I'm applying thin washes of dark brown, letting each layer dry before adding more to avoid muddying the colors. I'm also blending some shadows with a slightly damp brush to create smoother transitions. This makes the coat look softer and more natural while keeping some areas crisp for definition. What's your favorite thing about Chuuya's character? His attitude? His fighting style? Let me know in the comments. Eyes are the soul of any anime character, so I'm spending extra time here. And here it is, my completed watercolor painting of Chuuya Nakahara. I had so much fun with this one, his design is just a good. What do you think? Did I do him justice? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your next character suggestion. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.